How to do manual rinse only. After pressing on, press the rinse button, and automatically you'll see that the light indicators for wash and spin will go out. This means that the machine is now on rinse only mode. Press the rinse button repeatedly until the light indicator corresponds to your desired number of rinse. Press the water level button repeatedly to choose your desired amount of water from a minimum of 14 liters to a maximum of 72 liters. And then press start. Since may tubig pa ang tub, itadrain niya muna ang tubig. Otherwise, kung walang tubig, dire-diretso na mag-fill ng tubig ang machine. After niya mag-fill ng tubig, magre-rinse na siya like it normally would. Pagkatapos ng first rinse, magdadrain na siya ng tubig. And then magsispin or pipigain niya ang damit. Same steps lang din para sa second and third rinse. Sa final rinse niya, ilalagay yung fabric conditioner. May portion na magsa-stop siya to soak the clothes well with the fabric conditioner. When the rinse cycle finishes, the machine will turn off without draining the water. The machine will drain the water once the spin process is started.